Keep the video on. In the previous class, we started with one-sided errors. Okay, the error is only in one side, either in the debit side or in the credit side. So to rectify that, we will be opening a temporary account. And what is the name of that account, Aman?
Suspense account.
Suspense account. Okay, so we did a transaction, a problem. The next one, wages paid for construction of office. Okay, wages paid for construction of office debited to wages account rupees 2000. Please take down. Wages paid for construction of office debited to wages account rupees 2000. This is the transaction given. Okay. So, how would be the correct entry? What would be the correct entry? Anyone? Keep the video on. Krishna, Anish. Yes, video is on. Okay. Wages paid for construction of office. Okay, construction of office means office will be in a building, right? Office means it is definitely a building. Wages paid for construction of office debited to wages account. So actually, the wages are paid for the construction of building. That means it is an asset. Yeah. So as it is related to, this wages paid is related to the building, the entry will be building account debtor to cash. It is not wages account debtor to cash. Why it is not wages account? Wages are paid to the workers for the operations of the business, for the main activity of the business. If it is a manufacturing of furniture, then it is for that purpose you pay wages. It is to the workers in the business. But this wage is paid for the construction of a building. It is related to an asset. Okay? This wage payment is related to the asset. And which is that asset? It is building. That's why we have debited building account. Am I clear to all? So this is how the entry is. Correct entry is building account debtor to cash. So what is the incorrect one? Incorrect entry. What is the incorrect entry? Debited to wages. So debit is given to wages. Wages account debit to cash. Cash. Okay. And amount is also given. It is 2000. 2000. So correct entry 2000, again 2000. So there is no change in the amount. Amount written is correct only. In the question it is 2000, wage payment is 2000. Even in the incorrect entry, amount is correct. Okay. So where is the problem now? Where is the correction to be made? Now,
Wages.
Wages, yeah. So this wages should be cancelled. And instead of that, what should be written? Account should be written. That is the correction required. Correct. So the rectification entry will be, first we'll cancel this wages. So wages is given debit. So to cancel it, we will credit it to wages. 2000. Okay. So that is cancelled. Now what should be done? Building should be given debit. So building account debit 2000. Clear? So in this particular case, we don't require suspense account. So always for one-sided error, it is not mandatory that we should open suspense account. Even though it is a single-sided error, one-sided error, but still we don't require suspense account. Is that clear? Okay. So correct entry is building account debtor 2002 cash. It is wrongly written as wages account debtor 2 cash. So 2 cash, it is correct. Credit is correct for both the entries. I mean, both when you check, credit is correct. Nothing is to be done on the credit side. Only the debit should be changed. So the wrong debit is cancelled by crediting it and the correct debit is given. Clear, no? Okay. Now moving to the next one. Okay. Please take down. Discount allowed. Discount allowed. Rupees 581. Credited to customer's account as rupees 562. Okay. Discount allowed rupees 581. Credited to customer's account as how much? Rupees 562. Okay. So who's going to tell me the correct entry? Correct entry. Discount is allowed and discount allowed. That is actually the entry. And the mistake is credited to customer's account as rupees 562. Yes. Who can give me the correct entry? Pavitra, please keep the video on. Rose. Alan Shibu, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened silent after the exam?
Nothing, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, try to give me the entry, correct entry, Alan.
Customer account debit, discount allowed account.
Why is customer account debited? Think of the rules. Everyone forgot the rules? Okay. Actually, the entry is discount allowed account debtor to customer account. This is the entry. Okay. Discount allowed account debtor, rupees 581. Customer account. This is the entry. And what is the wrong entry? What is it written? It is credited to customer's account as rupees 562. Credited to customer account as 562. To customer account 562. This is the information given to us. Okay. This means that so the mistake has taken place only in the customer account. Credited to customer's account as 562. What is the actual amount? 581 is the amount. So this means that discount allowed account is correct. Discount allowed account rupees 581 is correctly done. Where is the short now? The mistake has taken place only in the customer account. And what is the problem? Problem is amount is short. It is 581 and it is written as 562. So how much is the difference? Tell me. What is the difference? How much is the difference?
I'm 18.
Is it 18?
19.
19. It is 19. Okay. 581 minus 562 rupees 19. So rupees 19 more should be credited. More should be credited. Where? So only to customer account. Nothing to do in the debit side. To customer account, we need to add 19 more. So the rectification entry is to customer account 19. So what should be there in the debit side? Debit side discount allowed 581 is correct. So we don't have to bring discount allowed here in the debit side. So in this case, we are going to open suspense account. Suspense account debit 19 to customer account 19. According to dual aspect principle, every debit should have equal and corresponding credit, right? Then only the journal entry would be complete. So as we don't have anything on the debit side, like there is no account, we are opening a temporary account and that is called suspense account. Okay. Please keep the video on and complete the problem. Moving to the next one. Furniture purchased. Furniture purchased rupees 10,000 wrongly debited to purchase account. The usual normal mistake you all make. Wrongly debited to purchase account rupees 4,000. Furniture purchased rupees 10,000. So the furniture is worth rupees 10,000. Okay. And it is wrongly debited to purchase account rupees 4,000. So when you get a transaction, I had told you when I started the chapter, when you get a transaction for rectification, check for the two parts. You can divide this transaction into two parts. The first part is furniture purchase rupees 10,000. That is the correct one. And the second part is the mistake. Okay. So what is the correct entry? What is the correct entry? Furniture purchase rupees 10,000. What is the correct entry? Rahul, what is the correct entry? Furniture purchase rupees 10,000. What is the correct entry? Rahul.
Furniture account,
Hmm.
debtor to cash account.
Yeah. Why taking so much of time? Furniture account debtor to cash. Furniture asset is purchased. Furniture account debit for how much? 10,000 to cash. 10,000. This is the correct entry. And how is it wrongly written? What is the mistake? Wrongly debited to purchase account. So what is the wrong entry, Krishna?
Purchase account debtor 4,000 to furniture account.
Yes, furniture. What is it? Purchase account debtor 4,000 to cash 4,000. So see, furniture account instead of furniture account, it is written as purchase account. That is a mistake, and amount is also wrong. Actually, the amount is 10,000, and we have written it as 4,000. How to correct this? How do you correct it? Who will try? Try. Anyone? Furniture account debtor to cash. That is how the correct entry should be. Purchase account debtor 4,000 to cash 4,000. That is the wrong account. So what should be done here? Anish.
Ma'am, should we cancel purchase account?
We should cancel purchase account. Definitely yes. Then
And the amount also.
sorry.
Ma'am, and
Purchase account should be cancelled. That's right.
add 6,000.
And add 6,000. Okay. No, not only 6,000. We are cancelling this purchase account. So this 4,000 will also get cancelled.
Add 10,000 more.
We should add 10,000. By which name?
Ma'am, by reversing the entry.
No. See, furniture account is missing there. Furniture account should be debited. So first of all, we will debit furniture account. Furniture account debtor 10,000. This is the correct one. Correct? Okay. Now, as you said, purchase account which is given debit should be cancelled. We don't require purchase account in this picture. So, debit to cancel it, we will credit to purchase. How much is cancelled? When purchase account is cancelled, the entire 4,000 is cancelled. $4,000. Okay. Now, look at the debit and credit amounts. You can find a difference of 6,000. Correct? Debit is not equal to credit. Debit should always be equal to credit. So in order to make it equal, we will open suspense account and write 6,000. Okay? Furniture account debtor 10,000. Debit furniture account with 10,000. Now, the wrongly debited purchase account should be cancelled. So to purchase account, we are reversing it. Debit is given credit, so that purchase account gets cancelled 4,000. Then when you check the journal entry, you can find that debit is not equal to credit. Debit you have 10,000, credit only 4,000. We should make debit equal to credit. Always debit should be equal to credit. So we are opening a temporary account, suspense account with 6,000. Okay, clear? Okay, so moving to the next one. Of old machinery. Sale of old machinery, rupees 3,000. Credited to sales. Credited to sales 5,000. Sale of old machinery 3,000. Credited to sales. Pavitra, are you there? Pavitra. Vishnu, are you there, Vishnu? Alan Verghese, keep the video on. Alan Verghese, are you there? Pavitra, Alan Verghese, Vishnu. Give me the reply in chat box. Yes. Alan Verghese, give me the journal entry, the correct journal entry in the chat box, please. Others, be ready with the correct entry. Write it down in your notebook. Vishnu, you type the answer, please. Alan, Verghese, Vishnu, and Pavitra, give me the answer in the chat box. What is the correct journal entry? If you don't know, type don't know and send the chat. Alan, Verghese, Vishnu, if you know the answer, type it. Otherwise, message me, I don't know. That's okay, Alan. Machinery is an asset. When that is sold or purchased, you give the account name same as the asset. Asset account. That is how you give the name. So the correct entry is it is sold. Machinery is sold. When machinery is sold, you get cash. So cash is coming inside the business. Those who went wrong, please correct it. Cash account debtor to machinery. Machinery. How much is the amount? Sale of old machinery, rupees 3,000. So there was an old machinery, it is sold for rupees 3,000. Now, what is the wrong? What is the mistake? What went wrong? Yeah. Pranav, what went wrong, Pranav?
Credited to sales.
Credited to sales. Same mistake of Aman is committed here. Instead of machinery, it is credited to sales. To sales. And how much? 5,000. Right, 5,000. Okay, this is the mistake. So this means that cash account is correctly written. Cash account is debited properly with the correct amount. It is debited properly with the correct amount. So it is single-sided, one-sided error. Where is the mistake? The mistake is in the credit side. Instead of machinery, sales is credited. Instead of 3,000, what is done? 5,000 is written. Is the question clear to all? Actually, when the machinery is sold, we received 3,000 rupees as cash. But when it is posted to sales account. Instead of machinery, it is written in the sales account. And not only that, amount became 5,000. So what should be done? It is similar to the previous case of furniture. How to correct it? Krishna, can you try? Try.
Sales account at 5,000 will write.
Yeah, sales account is wrong. So it should be cancelled. So to cancel it, it is actually credited. We have to debit it. So sales account debit 5,000. Okay. Now, what should be done next? Okay, that went cancelled. Now the correct one. Actually, it is a machinery account that should be credited to machinery. How much is the amount? 3,000. Yeah, 3,000. Now look at the debit and credit. Is it same? No. Debit is not equal to credit. So what should be done in the, where is the, where do you find the less amount? Where is the problem? It is in the credit side. So we should add 2000 more. How to do that? We will open to suspense account. Suspense account and write 2000. Okay. In order to make the debit equal to credit, we need 2000 rupees more. So we are going to we opened a temporary account, which is suspense account, and wrote that difference 2000. Now the debit became equal to credit. Is that clear? We will be doing more and more problems, then it will be more clear to you. Kindly keep the videos on, please. Okay. Moving to the next one. Salary paid to employees. Okay, salary paid to employees, rupees 2000. Debited to his personal account. His personal account. Okay. Salary paid to employees rupees 2000, debited to his personal account. So the first task is find out the correct entry. For that, we are going to split this transaction into two. The first part, salary paid to employees rupees 2000. That will give you the correct entry. The rest is the mistake. Okay. So what is the correct entry, Akshay?
Yes, ma'am.
Salary paid to employees rupees 2000. What is the correct entry?
Salary account debtor to cash.
Very good. Salary account debtor to cash. Salary is an expense. Expense increase, you debit. Cash asset decrease, so you credit. Okay. Salary account debtor to cash. How much? 2000. 2000. Okay. Now, coming to the wrong entry. What is the mistake? There is something missing. Salary paid to employees rupees 2000, debited to his personal account. Please add rupees 1200. Okay. Amount has also gone wrong. Debited to his personal account rupees 1200. Please add that also. Anish, did you add rupees to 1200? Okay, good. Now, come to the wrong entry. What happened? Debited to personal account rupees 1200. So, actually, the debit should be given to salary account debit. But instead of that, we have debited it to the personal account of the employee. Okay, so the mistake is we have written it as employee account debtor to cash. So debit is given to employee account debtor to debtor, and the amount is 1200. This is what is given to you in the transaction. So this means that cash account is correct. To cash account, 2000 rupees is correct. There is no mistake in cash account. Mistake has taken place only employee account, only on the debit side. Okay? Employee account is debited and the amount is 1,200 instead of 2,000. How to correct this? Again, similar to the earlier one. Who will try? Aparna, please try.
Salary account debtor.
Salary account debtor. Okay.
2000.
Salary account debit 2,000. Okay. Then
To employees account credit.
to employees account. Very good. That should be cancelled. Employees account.
1200.
Ah,
To suspense.
very good. Yes, right. To suspense account. Exactly right. To suspense account. How much is the amount?
800.
8,000. No, 800. Okay, 800. So, salary account should be debited. So, we are debiting salary account with the correct amount, 2,000. Employee account debtor 1,200, that is wrong. So, you should cancel this employee account. So, to employee account is cancelled. The debit given to employee account is given credit and we are cancelling it. Okay, it is cancelled. So, 1,200 cancelled. Now, the difference, we are crediting it into the temporary account, that is suspense account. Is it clear to all? Yes. So, I stop with this. So, listen to me. You will have 9th period as accountancy, not the 10th period. Okay, I'll be sending message in the class group also. 9th period means it is from 3:40 to 4:30. 3:40 to 4:30, yeah. You will be having accountancy. Okay? Okay, thank you.